Strange behavior of multiple ants grasping the legs of an immobile fellow ant. Moment of heavy sandstorm passing through the desert with tourists. Opening a termite nest where a big queen termite resides in it. Unbelievable. Stunning waterspout that appears like a connection between sky and earth. Hundreds of spiders living on a large web created by them between two trees. Uncovering a large python hiding inside of the soil. Shocking. Heavy containers blown away by the strong storm winds at a port. Terrifying. Melted road safety cones due to very hot weather.